Hello everyone, I am your Teleguru Abhijit Joshi. In the series of videos on basics of Teleprime, this is our video number 8. In this video lesson, we will be discussing stock groups and categories. So we can group various stock items into one group. So let's say that we have got a shop where we'll sell air conditioners, televisions, and say refrigerators. So there are different brands of televisions, different sizes of television under the group televisions. Similarly, we have different capacities of refrigerators under refrigerators. So we can group all the refrigerators under the group refrigerator. But what about imported items? A imported television may be in our shop, a imported air conditioner, or a imported refrigerator. So if I say a model ABC, so this ABC is a TV. At the same time it is imported, but another television by XYZ is a television but is not exported. So I can say that the ABC TV has been grouped under television and categorized under imported goods. So I can say that category is parallel classification of a stock item against a group. We will do a case study to understand this better. We will be creating a company called Joshi Oils. So we will open Teleprime now and we will select create company. Press backspace, give C:\\. We will select tally data, then you can select your name and we'll press enter here. Now we will type the name of the company Joshi Oils. We will select the state as Maharashtra. We will make it a habit to select the state because later we will be discussing GST and that time giving the state is important. We will keep the financial year 1st April 24 and will accept the company. Now here in the features we will set goods and service tax to no and we will accept. Now we will go and create our ledgers first. We will go in create ledger. We will create a purchase account. So we will type purchase account under purchase account and accept it. We will now create units. So units, we will create P, that is packets or packs. I will keep the decimal place 0. Then this time we will be creating stock groups. So we will go in stock group. So our company Joshi Oils deals in vehicle lubricants. So oils which are necessary for vehicles, cars, scooters, etc. we have this. So our group is gear oil, engine oil and brake oil. So we will create these groups first. So we will type here gear oil, then we will create another one by the name of engine oil, and the third one will be brake oil. You must note that we are grouping this under primary. I can create groups under groups, but we don't need that. We will accept this. Now we'll press escape and now we will create categories. Now in categories we will have the name of manufacturers who make this gear oil, engine oil and brake oil. So I can classify in a way that my company HP, that is Hindustan Petroleum, how many stock items I have. At the same time I can get a report how many gear oil I have. So when I take a report based on gear oil, it will be based on stock group. And when I take Hindustan Petroleum or Castrol, these are the companies of which I keep the goods. So we will now create the stock categories. So first is HP and Castrol. So we will type HP here. Like groups, even categories can have subcategories. So we will not give this, we will take this primary and we will create one more category, that is Castrol, and accept this. We'll press escape, escape, and now we will create the stock items. So the first stock item is Mil C. Mil C is an engine oil and the manufacturer is Castrol. Damdar is again an engine oil by HP. Tufan is engine oil by HP. Then Super Gear is gear oil by HP. Top Gear is gear oil by Castrol. Top Stop is a brake oil by Castrol, and Super Stop is a brake oil by HP. So we will now enter the stock items. So Mil C is an engine oil. Now you can see that categories are not being shown here. So we can either select more details and then we can select categories. So here stock category and select the category as Castrol. A easy way would be to have category in this screen itself. So we can press F12 configuration. As I told you, configuration is for this screen. So I want a field there. So I'll press F12 configuration. So in this screen, use stock group for stock item is already yes, but I don't find categories in this. So I press backspace and show more configuration yes. So when I give this yes, more configuration appear. If your configuration is still not appearing, it may be somewhere in show all configurations, but our configuration is right here, that is use stock category for stock items. So we will set this to yes and we'll press Ctrl A to accept the configuration. Now you can see that I'm getting the category here. So our stock group and category is set. We will select the unit as packs and we will accept. The next stock item is Damdar. Damdar is a engine oil and the manufacturer is HP. The unit is pack. We will accept the stock item. The next stock item is Tufan. It is again a engine oil, again manufactured by HP. The unit is P. We will accept. The next stock item is Super Gear. This is a gear oil and the manufacturer is HP. The unit is packs. We will accept it. The next stock item is Top Gear. Top Gear is again a gear oil and the manufacturer is Castrol. The unit is pack. We will accept it. Top Stop is a brake oil by Castrol. This time intentionally we will keep unit as not applicable. We will accept this. The last one is Super Stop. Again this is a brake oil but the manufacturer is HP and the units is pack. Now we have created all our stock items. Now we will pass a purchase voucher. So we will go in voucher and we will select F9 purchase. Now here we'll keep the supplier invoice number and date blank. This time we will directly select the cash ledger. So this is a cash purchase in which the purchase account will be debited and the cash account will be credited. So we are paying by cash and bringing the goods. So we will select cash. For the first time we have done this way. We can even enter the party name manually. The supplier, bill number and all these details can be entered, but the name and address of the supplier and state and tomorrow when we have GST, we can even enter the GST number, but let's forget it now and we will go forward. So we have purchased Milk C 10 packs at the rate of 550. So we will type Milk C M. There is no Milk C. What have I done? I'll press escape once and I find that there is no Milk C. Oh my god, by mistake I have typed Castrol. So I'll press enter, I'll press backspace. Remember last video, control enter. We'll press control enter and then I will type Milk C here, M-I-L-C-Y. So Milk C and then enter and I will accept it. So my stock item will get created. The quantity was 10, the rate was 550. Then we will enter the next item. The next stock item is Damdar. Quantity is 1, rate is 450. So Damdar, quantity 1, rate 450. Then the next item, it's Tufan 230. Tufan 230. Then Super Gear 3219. Super Gear 3219. Then the next item, it's Top Gear. Quantity is 4, rate is 360. So we will type Top Gear. Quantity is 4, rate is 360. Then is Top Stop 5 340. Top Stop 5 340. Top Stop. What is the problem? Remember, we forgot to allocate unit to it. So when I press enter, it is directly jumping onto the value. So we'll press backspace, we'll press control enter and we will have to put unit as pack. Then we can enter our quantity 5, the rate 340, and finally our stock item Super Stop 6 at the rate of 100. Super Stop 6 at the rate of 100. There is no stock item. We'll press enter, we'll keep the narration blank and we will accept the voucher. Now we will come back to Gateway of Tally and check our stock summary. So here we get the groups. Now the shortcut key for expand one level is Alt F5. So we'll press Alt F5 and here you see Super Stop and Top Gear under brake oils. So these are our brake oils. Damdar, Milk C and Tufan are engine oils. Super Gear and Top Gear is gear oil. The same report, that is stock group wise report, we can get in display inventory books and stock group summary. You can also have category summary which is just below it. So we'll check the stock group summary. Here I can have individual stock groups. So if I select primary, I'll get again the same report. I'll have to press Alt F5 to expand. I'll press escape. I can have side by side comparison. I can select brake oil. Now this is a column. So I can add a new column by clicking new column. Then I can select engine oil. So a new column is added, brake oil and then engine oil. I can add one more column. That's the gear oil. So I get this report column wise. We'll press escape, escape, escape. Now we will check the stock category summary. So this will be my report on the basis of the manufacturers. So I press Alt F5 again to explode this in detail. Here Milsi, Tufan, Top Gear are from Castrol, and Damdar, Super Gear, Super Stop and Tufan are Hindustan Petroleum products. So I get this stock items on the basis of groups and categories. Thank you.